Hello everyone, hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome to Fun with Furry Friends, fun with furry friends today. Hello everyone, we're glad that you can stay, we're glad that you can stay. There. I say your name, it's your turn. You can do the picture just like this. Here's how it works. Cheese! And the camera will take a picture. See? Ooh, wow. Why don't we try that? Of course. Everyone, let's start with you, Fuzzy. Let's start with you, Fuzzy. Okay, cheese! Cheese! Marker block, pose! Pose! Cheese! Cheese! That's my turn. Okay, now. Achoo! Oh no! What happened? Come on. Why are you sneezing, Charlotte? I don't know. I must have been gold. I know what to do. Much better. Huh? Wait. Hang on. I've got the hiccups. I know. Go upside down. Oh, I think it stopped. It worked. It's okay. I think it stopped. Oh, we need some help. I think it's worked. Well, it looks like we do need help. Did somebody say help? I know what to do. This might do the trick. Let me keep this on. It's mine. Coming through. I've got 6 hiccups for you. Let's see what they are. Count to me. Just 1, 2, 3. With me. Are you sure this is going to work? I'm sure this is going to work. Let's say 6. Key number 6 it is. Boom! Oh no! Don't tell me I've got the hiccups now. Oh no. I hope it stops soon. Say help. Don't worry, I've got something to help you. Lucky, 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 boom! We've tried that! We need help. Have no fear. Marcus is here. Koalie, Charlotte, and Fuzzy got the hiccups. Don't worry, I've got the hang of it. Go, boo! Cheese. Hey, I don't feel the hiccups. So do I. We're queuing. Hooray! Furry Friends is finished for today. Furry Friends is finished for today.
We have all had lots of fun, rolling, tumbling, everyone. Goodbye, goodbye, see you all next week. May peace be with you till